Sweet summer corn meets fiery chili heat in this bold, creamy soup with a tropical twist. It's comforting, bright, and totally satisfying. Welcome back to the cracked mug. No blender drama, just silky spoonfuls of golden goodness. So let's get in that kitchen and make your new favorite spicy coconut corn soup. Come on. I've just taken the corn off the cob. Now we're going to put those cobs to good use and enhance our vegetable stock. Pop the cobs into a saucepan, and since we're going to be using 2.5 cups of vegetable broth in our recipe, let's add the broth here. Bring this to a simmer, cover it, and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. That way we'll get the most out of these cobs. Alright, in your saucepan, medium, large, over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once that's hot, we're going to add 2 shallots, which I have both diced and sliced. Sliced is good, quite thin. To that I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic, which has been minced, about 1 inch of ginger, 2.5 centimeters, that has been minced. Typically I would use maybe a serrano chili pepper here, but I have these 2 jalapenos that my friend Tiffany brought from her ranch upstate, so I'm going to use those instead. You know your heat level, so adjust accordingly. Give that a stir to coat. We'll stir these until they get really nice and soft, and that'll be about 3 to 5 minutes. Be patient here. We want them to sweat, and they have. There's no color taken on. The shallots are not getting brown, and that has been 5 minutes, and it smells incredible. Here's the corn I took from the 5 ears. It's approximately 750 grams. You can use frozen corn, so give that a stir to get everything mixed in nicely. We're going to stir these for about 3 minutes. It was an extra 5 minutes. It smells incredible in here. Okay, one thing to know. You could stop cooking right here, taste it, add salt and pepper, allow this to cool, and use this cold as a side dish for barbecue or chicken or whatever you want. But this cold is delicious. I'm just going to give it a little taste. Even hot as a side dish would be spectacular, especially celebrating these summer flavors of corn. However, we're moving on. Here I have 2 diced red potatoes. That's about 170 grams total. Stir those in. Let's add our 600 milliliters of vegetable broth. That's about 2.5 cups. And 1 can of full-fat coconut milk. That's about 400 milliliters. This soup is dairy-free. Okay, we're going to bring this to a simmer. Okay, that has been 8 minutes. I've just turned off the heat. I want to check those potatoes. Come to me. Oh yes, I can tell. Done. Perfect. It smells wonderful in here. Now I'm going to taste it for seasoning. Salt and pepper. My goodness, it's delicious. I'm going to give it about a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. About the same in fresh black pepper. But we're not done with this just yet.
Kindly subscribe to the channel. It really helps when you do. Remember to like and leave a comment.
You could eat this soup like this, perfectly fine. A nice chunky soup. I am going to give it a little bit of the immersion blender. Goal is to maybe blend half of this. I still want to see little chunks of potato and corn and little splashes of the green chili. So don't overdo it. Maybe about half. Okay, that was 1 trip around. I made a spiral basically, and that's it. Look how creamy that is. And there are chunks of potato in there. Perfect. Last thing to do? Gosh, I have to taste it again. Oh wow, it's delicious. So to that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. That's from half a lime. I also actually grated a little bit of the zest, and that's in there too, but not much. Stir that in. Oh, I can smell the lime. Let's get this served up. I'm ready for this soup. Got myself a beer too. All right, let's try this. So I put some toasted nuts. I had a variety of nuts. So I toasted those and I put a little cilantro on top Now I'm going to add just a tiny bit of lime juice. Ready. Oh wow. It's yummy. It's delicious. That fresh corn. It's summer. Honestly, if summer could be ladled into a bowl, it would taste just like this. That chili kicks, but the coconut milk soothes it all out. Like calamine lotion on a sunburn. I know all about that. A spicy little stunner.
Yum! I'm kinda spicy myself.
Nope, I'm the spicy one in this kitchen. Thanks for being here with me at the Cracked Mug. If you love this little soup adventure, share it with your corn-loving, spicy-loving friends. And until next time, mind yourself. Bye. Cheers.